We're at CH-C7 Corvette Heaven. It's America's largest and highest 5-star rated #1 pre-owned Corvette destination. 150 Corvettes and late model American muscle. But when it comes to trucks, this particular one rings the bell. 2019 F-150 FX4 Off-Road XLT V8. Best part of all, Carfax certified, driven, pampered, and garage. This is that special one. Hardly used, shows no wear and tear, and the best part of all, offers a tremendous value. It has the trailer tow package, the FX4 Off-Road, backup cam, 18-inch chrome wheels, and voice-activated navigation. So when you're searching for trucks that represent great values, this is it. And especially searching for quality, can't be one better. AutoDirectCorvettes.com, buy, sell, trade, and consign, America's largest and highest 5-star rated.